Well, hello YouTube and TikTok channels. It's Belmont here. And for this week, I did pick up two of those padlocks as I had talked about in last week's video. So I got a master lock number 1. And I also bought a number 3. Number 3 is going to be next week, hopefully. But this is a current generation master lock number 1. And that is on the code 1DLF. It's rated a 7. Works. But the one thing that I was disappointed about in Master Lock, and I do hope you guys at the Master Lock Company are watching, shame on you for neglecting the keychain. And I also mean this on the number 3 as well, and the others I saw on the shelf. Y'all need to do better. Even though your locks are chintzy and anyone can open them, y'all need to do better though. Provide all of it if you're going to charge $10. And we're going to see if this is camera shy since I picked it twice already. And this was the sweet spot that I found with the tension wrench. I did have it all the way in at first, but then scoot it out a little bit and it springs open. So here we go. Oh yeah, that took a few extra minutes, but here we go. So let's take a look on the inside here. This is the ball bearing clip. It's not the spring or the little tiny bar like the over 50-year-old Master Lock number 1 you saw previously. This one does have the Master Lock name and everything else on it. You can take a look at the lock body itself. And, you know, this was good under pressure, I gotta admit. And it did eventually pop open with this amount of length out. So, okay. Master Lock does have its ups and downs, and you gotta admit, sometimes they will give you a run for your money. And in the future, I will be testing out my southward pin tumbler jigglers on this, see which one of those mothers opens this up. So again, if you go into Walmart and you see the master locks without keys, you know, that's shameful. And also the key code is on this. All right. 3512. So 3, 5, and the 1, 2. So yeah, it does match up. High peak right there is definitely the 5. Okay. I also want to give a personal shout out to my niece Lay and my nephew, my remastered edition Lan. Hope you guys are watching, because I know Lay started watching 2 days ago. And to my sister Rattles, definitely get those items I told you about. Sooner the better. Yes, I've been helping my niece and nephew with something of a paranormal, supernatural nature. So, while old Belmont might have retired from active duty of war with the supernatural and the paranormal, it's like any old soldier, once in, never out. And I do plan on getting my nephew a nice lockpick set, extra tension wrenches, because you can never have enough. Gonna send him a set of my bump keys for residential. I know he'll appreciate those. And get him a Ford Fleet key set. A few other odds and ends that go along with it as well. So he can actually do a bit more in his skills. So Uncle Belmont loves you guys. There are no favorites in family. Lay and Lan. I just want you to know that. Alright, so that's going to do it for this week. Hope you all enjoyed. And as always, this is Belmont saying, stick around.